Good day everyone! Today I'm gonna be making vegetarian siopao. Now these are the ingredients that I need to make vegetarian siopao. Now I'm gonna be doubling the quantity because I'm gonna share it with my friends later. Let's begin with the dough. First we need 2 tablespoons of yeast, 2 cups of warm water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half a cup of sugar, 5 cups of all-purpose flour, but I'm using wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and finally 6 tablespoons of oil. Let's start the process. First, let's put the 2 tablespoons of sugar into the warm water. Now let's mix it until it gets dissolved. Now let's put the yeast. Let's stir and set aside until it blooms for 5 minutes. Now it has bloomed. Let's now proceed. In a big mixing bowl, add all the dry ingredients together. First, let's put the 5 cups of flour in the bowl. Then now let's put the sugar in. Now let's put the baking powder in and let's mix. Now let's put the mixture that we mixed a while ago. Next, let's put the oil. Now let's mix. Let's start to knead. Let's transfer it in the table. Now first, let's sprinkle some flour so that it doesn't stick in the table. Let's wait for 5 minutes. If it's hard for you to do it, ask and help from an adult.
ka dito. Sorry. Careful not to touch them.
Form a ball. And cover it with oil. Now put in a bowl and cover it with some towel. Let it sit for 1 hour or until the dough doubles its size. While waiting for the dough to rise, let's start cooking the filling. Now you might need an adult supervision because the fire is hot and you might get burned. On a hot pan, let's put 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Saute 2 cloves of garlic. Now add 1 piece of onion minced. That's mine, minced. Now let's put 200 grams of shredded soy chicken. When the soy chicken is slightly cooked, put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 piece of minced potato. Add 1/3 cup of water so that the potato will be fully cooked. Cover and wait until the potato cooks. Now, add the carrots. Add more water as needed. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of vegetarian oyster sauce. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now let's add some black pepper. Then use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into 1 tablespoon of water. Pour it into the filling. Now our filling is ready. Let's let it cool down for a while. Now that our dough has doubled its size, let us remove the air. Now let's roll it and divide it to the size. Let us divide it into our desired size.
Ano pa? Nakakainin yung...
Now let's create a ball that like this. Cover and set for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's start to put the filling. Put the filling finish the top. And put it in parchment paper. Top of an adult, steam for 15 minutes.
Cover it with
Cover
the,
it
with the lid
with the lid
with cloth.
with cloves. Now it's time for the taste test. It's so soft and fluffy. How does it taste? It's so yummy. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Bye everyone.